further separated, they can be alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles. They are always equal. Alternate interior forms Z shape and exterior are opposite to these Z. Then same side interior angle and alternate exterior angle, that's done same side exterior angle. This interior, that is exterior. Okay, they are supplementary. Interior angles are always supplementary. Let it be same side interior or same side exterior. These same side angles, they are equal. Now, supplementary. Then corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means they are on the same side, okay, of the parallel lines and of the transversal. So above means both above. Here interior angle, there is a separate difference between interior and its corresponding. Interiors are if one is above, other is below. That is, they are between these two parallel lines, and they are corresponding are on the same side and same level, means up so up, down so down. Okay. So angle DAB and angle ABC are interior angles. They are supplementary. So add them. 60, A we know 60 plus CBA equals to 180. Okay. So CBA equals to what? 180 minus 60. That is 120. That's what we want. Angle B is 120. Angle A is 60. Next, which of the following quadrilaterals is not a parallelogram? Now, see, this is a parallelogram. What is the basic feature? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So in rectangle, are opposite sides equal and parallel? Yes. In square, are opposite sides equal and parallel? Yes. In rhombus, are opposite sides equal and parallel? Yes. Okay. In kite, are opposite sides equal and parallel? No. Why? In a kite, always adjacent sides, means one pair of adjacent sides is congruent. Always remember, one pair means this pair is congruent to each other and this pair is congruent to each other, means these two sides are congruent to each other and these two sides are congruent to each other. It means what? There are two pairs of congruent sides in a kite, but opposite sides are never congruent and parallel. They are never. Okay. So answer is C, kite. Download Yuva app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30 by heart, squares up to 30 by heart, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis, and you will learn them within a span of 3 months. Always remember, they are useful for you throughout your lifetime. So do it with a discipline on a daily basis. Thanks. Keep studying, keep watching. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.